Dear students, let's start our class. Our 8th chapter, Indian climate, vegetation and the wildlife. In previous class, we have discussed about the condition of climate condition of India and the vegetation. We have climate in the case of climate, we have 4 seasons, and vegetation, we have 5 types of vegetation in India. Today we are going with wildlife. Wildlife. Okay. So the wildlife of India. Wildlife of India. Let's check what happened to the wildlife. And what do you mean by wildlife? And we are familiar with wildlife because we have several kinds of forests in our country. So including the forest, the animals are depending this forest, and most of the wild animals like tiger, lion, elephant, giraffe, fox, hippopotamus, dinosaurs, etc. And deers also, etc. also depending these kinds of forests. And we also have several kinds of birds like peacock, parrot, etc. are also have different kinds of birds, and insects like different kinds of butterflies and ants and some kinds of worms and snakes. So we have several kinds of species in our country. So that is included, or we can say that is wildlife of our country, wildlife of our country. And this wildlife forests are the home of this variety of wildlife. So we can see that forests are the home of variety of wildlife. Home of the variety of wildlife. So all wildlife things, that means animals, birds, insects, worms, etc. All of things are depending the forest. Right? Yes. So the wildlife, we can say that the forests are the homes of the variety of wildlife, and there are thousands of species of animals and large variety of amphibians, mammals, birds, insects, worms, etc. So we have thousands of species of these animals. Most of them it's included reptiles, amphibians, mammals, worms, insects, etc. So these kinds of animals we also be found in our country. It's all these kinds of animals also depending the forest. Okay. So let's check. First, we want to learn about the case of animals. Which is our national animal? Yes, tiger is our national animal. And the animal world, that is tiger, is our national animal. Tiger is our national animal, and this tiger and lions mostly we can found in the Gir forest, Gujarat. Also this Gir forest is also known as the home of Asiatic tiger. Okay, so the lions and tigers, we can say in several parts in our country, and mostly we can found these kinds of animals in Gir forest. Gir forest in Gujarat. And this forest is also known as the home of Asiatic lions. Okay, so wildlife, we know that we have several kinds of So this also included in our wildlife, and this forest was the home of this or the range of this wildlife. First we are checking about tigers and lions. Tiger is our national animal, and mostly we know that most of the forest we can found tigers and lions. But mostly we can see this number of tigers and lions are increasing in this area that is known as Gir forest in Gujarat, and this forest or this region is also known as the home of Asiatic lions. Home of Asiatic lions. Okay, so the next animal that is elephant and one-horn rhinoceros. Rhinoceros also found in the region of Assam. Also found in the region of Assam. Elephant and one-horned rhinoceros is also found in the region of Assam. Okay, here. And just look at that. And we know that elephant also we can found in Kerala and Karnataka. Elephant also found in the region Kerala and Karnataka. Kerala and Karnataka. Elephant were also found in this region Kerala and Karnataka. And we have several kinds of other animals. And the desert animal that is known as camel, right? Yes, camel. Camel is one of the desert animals. It is also found in desert region, mostly in the Great Indian Desert. The region Great Indian Desert, and Rann of Kutch. Areas of Rann of Kutch region also found this camels, different kinds of camels we can found in this region. Okay, so we have another several kinds of animals like fox, giraffe, and what is that? Wild buffaloes. And fox, giraffe, and next what is that? And monkeys mostly. Monkey, deers, etc. also found in different regions in our country. Okay, so what is the animals we discussed about? Tiger and lion. Tiger is our national animal, and lions and tigers also found in different parts of our country. Mostly the Gir forest is situated in Gujarat, and it is also known as the home of Asiatic lions. It's also known as the home of Asiatic lions. And the elephant and one-horned rhinoceros mostly we can say the Assam region, and the elephant also we can found in the states like Kerala and Karnataka. And camel, one of the desert animal, it's also we can see the Great Indian Desert region and Rann of Kutch regions. And other animals like fox, giraffe, and wild buffaloes, monkeys, bears, and we also found in different regions. And another one that is the wild goat and the wild goat and wild goat, snow leopard, and what is the next one? Snow leopard and deers also we can found, etc. also found in the Himalayan region. Himalayan region. Look at this. The Himalayan region is full of snow. It has like cold weathers in the case of birds. Okay. Birds. Which is our national bird? Peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Peacock and this is our national birds, and so we have a rich and equally rich in the bird life because we have several kinds of species birds and we have different kinds of birds in our country. The peacock is our national bird and other common birds are parrot, pigeon, other common birds like parrot, pigeon, parrot, pigeon, etc. Like myna, parrot, pigeon, myna, geese, bulbul, and ducks. Ducks are also found in different regions in our country. So peacock is our national bird and we have several kinds of birds like parrot, pigeon, myna, geese, bulbul and ducks etc. And there are several bird sanctuaries. Bird sanctuaries which have been created to give birds their natural habitat. For their natural habitat. They set up or they built, the government built several bird sanctuaries. Several bird sanctuaries. So the government built several bird sanctuaries for the birds' natural habitat, for their natural habitat. So we want to protect these kinds of special features of special species birds and different species of birds. So because of that, for their natural habitat, we set up bird sanctuaries. And there are another one that is we have hundreds species of snakes. We have several kinds of snakes. In our forest we can find different types of snakes. What is the most important snakes? We have first we know that the cobra and king cobra and the cranes. And the cranes also we have different, we can see these kinds of snakes in our forest. Okay. So the next one we get is insects. Types of insects, we have several types of insects like different kinds of butterflies and ants and some kinds of leopard and some kinds of and small insects we found in different regions. That is also important. That crickets are also some kind of insects also we can found in different forests in our country. And due to the cutting of forest, that is the deforestation and hunting animals. Because of this kinds of deforestations and hunting, and actually it's badly affected this wildlife, and several species of wildlife of India are declining rapidly because of this deforestation and hunting. Deforestation, cutting trees and forests and hunting create a decline of wildlife or wild animals in our country. Many species have already become extinct. That means some kinds of animals and actually is full of removed in our surrounding our environment. That is they are the case We want to protect these animals and birds and insects. We want to protect the forest and wildlife because we know that the forest also creates a better life for us, and it's make to give oxygens and other things for us. So because we wanted to protect the forest and wildlife, so we are familiar with the cases like animals attack humans and like elephants and tigers also attacking human beings, and they are attacking the domestic animals, etc. So why they are coming to the cities or the crowded areas? That actually there is a reason. One of the reason that is the people are give or uncomfortability for them. We are deforesting, we are cutting the trees, and we are constructing several buildings for the forest areas. We are clearing the forest, and we also use that forest in our own profit. In that time, in that case, the animals also, the wildlife also lost their land, they lost their natural habitat. Because of that, most of the wild animals come to the crowded areas. That is the reason mainly happened behind these problems. Okay, so we are the responsible we are the responsible person to take the issues and providing a better solution for them. And we also wanted to protect forest and wildlife areas. So look at your textbook, page number 63. We have several, we can see the several kinds of newspaper report. Look at this. So we want to protect this this wildlife, and look at this large scale portions and large and simple reserves, wild centers, wildlife lovers, fine ladies and makeup, big cat vanishing from Uttarakhand, and big cat means cheetahs, tigers, etc. And more sharings and the makings, crab, bird, lions, pine for grassland. Villages in the tiger reserves must be recorded. Tiger prices have we done enough to check poaching. So this is also shows that the problems actually happen in wildlife. So because of these problems, government implemented several programs, and also they are set up the national parks, sanctuaries, national parks, national parks and sanctuaries, national parks, sanctuaries and biosphere reserves, and biosphere reserves, biosphere reserves and wildlife sanctuaries, because they are already set, because of the setups of this things for what, for protecting wildlife, to protecting wildlife. Okay, so the government implemented several plans like Project Tiger and Project Elephant. Project Tiger and Project Elephant. Project Tiger and Project Elephant for the protection of these animals. The government want to protect the tiger and elephant. Because of that, the government implemented several programs, several projects like Project Tiger and Project Elephant. For what? For protecting these animals. Okay, so this kinds of projects and plannings also developed in our country because of the protection of wildlife. Okay, wildlife. Clear? So this is the full concept of this chapter. In this chapter, we are discussing about India, the climate condition. Based on this climate condition, we have 4 seasons: winter season, summer season, and rainy, that means monsoon season, and autumn. And vegetation. What do you mean by natural vegetation? It's full of sorts of trees, herbs and shrubs, and animals included natural vegetations. And the kinds of natural vegetation. Based on this natural vegetation, we have 5 bird, that is the birds like coming from one place, one country to another country, reach another country based on the seasons. Look at this. Migratory birds. Some birds such as pin-tailed duck, crows and flamingo, osprey and little sings migrate to our country in winter season every year. So this winter season is suitable for the migration of birds. And smallest migratory birds winter stays weighing as low as 50 grams. That is a very small bird. It's also coming from the Arctic region and travel over 8,000 kilometers to reach India. So these kinds of birds also we have in different places in the winter season. So this is the full topics of the full winter concept of this chapter, and this chapter is also our last chapter for our geography textbook. Okay, just look at the exercises. First question, first section, that is answer the following questions. So first one, which winds brings rainfall in India? Why it is so important? Which brings rainfall in India? We know that the southwest winds, that means the winds of Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal creates rainfalls in our country, mostly monsoon season. And name the different seasons in India. Winter season, summer season, rainy season or monsoon season, and autumn season. Okay. So what is the natural vegetation? We also discussed about natural vegetation is also included all sorts of trees, shrubs, and grasses, also known as natural vegetation also. Okay. So the next question, what the different type of vegetation are found in India? That is also we discussed. We have 5 types of vegetation in our country, which is 5 vegetation. That is first one, tropical rainforest or tropical evergreen forest, or it is also known as what? Tropical. That means the dense forest, right? Dense forest. Second one, that is the tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forest. It is also known as the monsoon forest. Third one, that is the thorn bushes. It is also they found in dry areas. That is also desert or dry areas. The fourth one, that is mountain vegetation. And fifth vegetation of India, that is mangrove forest. What is that? Mangrove forest. Okay. So they look at the next question. Name the different types of vegetation of India. Next question, what is the difference between evergreen forest and deciduous forest? Evergreen forest is also known as the rainy forest, and it is also have heavy rainfalls in this region, and also have large or huge trees in this region. Because of that, the sunlight does not touch the ground. And what is the speciality of tropical deciduous forest? In this desert or in this forest is occurred in areas with monsoon and found in the rainfall like 900 centimeter to 200 centimeter annual rainfall region, right? So in this region also get rainfall, but it is also not the trees that much of tall. This is not that much of dense forest. That is the difference between evergreen forest and deciduous forest. And the last question, why is tropical rainforest also called evergreen forest? Because the region is also get what heavy rainfalls and large trees, tall trees, and it is also covered with green trees. That is known as evergreen forest. Is also rainy forest is also known as the evergreen forest. And take the correct answers. The world's highest rainfall occurred Mumbai, Assam, and Morsharam. That is Morsharam in Meghalaya. Okay. Third option, C. And B question, mangrove forest can be thrive in saline water, fresh water, polluted water. Saline water. And mahogany and rosewood trees are found in mangrove forest, tropical deciduous forest, and tropical evergreen forest. That is tropical evergreen forest. Next question, wild goats and snow leopards are found in Himalayan region, Peninsula region, and other forest. Which region? Himalayan region. Okay. The city plated to plains, which land in sea to land. Sea to land. That is second question. Sea to land. Fill in the blanks. Hot and dry winds are known as what? Lu. Lu winds blows during the rainy summers. Okay, Lu. The states of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu receive a great amount of rainfall during the season of which season? During this which season? That is the autumn season. That is autumn season. Okay. The dash forest is the Gujarat is the home of dash. Gir forest. Gir forest of Gujarat is the home of Asiatic lions. And dash is the well-known species of mangrove forest. What species? Mangrove trees species. Okay. Dash are also called monsoon forest. Tropical what? Deciduous. Tropical deciduous forest is also known as what? Monsoon forest also. Okay. So these are the main questions and answers of this chapter. And this chapter deals with the climate condition of India and 4 seasons and vegetation and 5 types of vegetation and wildlife in the animals and birds and snakes and what worms. We also discussed about the creatures and we also discussed about why we need to protect animals and wildlife in our country. Okay, so this is the full concept and this is for today. And read your text carefully and more times. Read your text more and more time and try to do the exercise. And I will send the notes. Okay, let's wind up our class. Take care.